To start off, you will need a half a cup of baking soda, quarter cup of cornstarch, and 6 tablespoons of water. Place these ingredients in a pan and start to cook over medium heat. Continue to stir it until it has formed into a ball and is no longer sticky. This will take about 10 minutes. Place the clay in a bowl and cover it with a towel and let it cool for about 5 minutes or until it is cool to the touch. Once it is cooled, you can start creating. I'm going to be making 3 slightly different types of small dishes with this clay. The first one, I quickly learned that if the clay is too dry, it will be really flaky and hard to work with, so having a bowl of water to keep your hands slightly wet will make it more manageable. Here I am pushing out a golf ball size of clay and trying to get it as flat as I can, which was about a 1/4 inch thick. Then I am using an X-Acto knife to cut out a circle. Next, I placed it on a bowl to keep the roundness. I will leave it on this bowl until it has totally dried. If you notice any cracks, just slightly smooth it out with some water. For the second bowl, I will repeat the same steps for the base. Then I will create a strip of clay long enough to go around the base. Then I will cut out a small strip from that and place it around the edges. Using water, I am smoothing out the outside where the bottom and strip meet. For the last bowl, I started out by rolling out an oval shape. Next, keeping the rough edges, I am lifting and lightly pinching the edges to create a lip around the bowl. Then I'm going to be using a carving tool to carve a leaf into the base. Once the bowls had totally dried, I noticed that some of them had slightly cracked, and I think it might have been from the thickness of the clay. However, I used the cracks to my advantage to create some unique looks. For decorating, I'm going to use a gold acrylic paint. For the first one, I am painting around the edge and then decided to paint into the cracks to create a geode looking bowl. For the second bowl, I am keeping it simple by painting the edge and the outside. For the last bowl, I am painting into the carved leaf and around the edge. I really love how these turned out. They make nice statement pieces to hold jewelry or keys or other small items. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video.